IVF patients can often be penny-wise and pound-foolish. Most patients who do their first IVF cycle have no idea what good IVF treatment looks like. They mistakenly think that all IVF clinics are equally good and will give them the same level of medical care. They get lured either by the full-page ads these clinics buy in newspapers, and by the large roadside banners they pay for. These clinics often run free IVF camps to acquire patients. Every infertile couple who comes to the camps is advised to do IVF. The scam is that the tests are done by the clinic, and the results of these tests are always abnormal. Patients are led to believe that the only solution to their problem is IVF-, and the clinic very kindly offers a discount if the patient signs up by paying in advance on the spot. Most patients don't know any better, and sign up, because they can see other patients signing up too, which is why these camps resemble the fairs that real estate developers organize, to sell their flats to customers. Patients tend to focus on what they can see, which is convenience, and price. They want to find a local IVF clinic that will offer them the lowest price package possible. Because these IVF clinics don't really care about quality, they are happy to offer discount packages which are surprisingly cheap on the face of it. They do this because they routinely cut a lot of corners. For example, they don't bother to do day 5, blastocyst, transfers, and don't provide photographs of embryos to patients. Patients don't know what a good IVF clinic is supposed to do, as a result of which most of the cycles end up in failure. Not only do they end up wasting their money while trying to chase what seems to be a bargain, but what's even worse is they end up losing all hope. In their short-sighted quest to save money, they actually end up wasting it, and they deprive themselves of having a baby, because they are no longer willing to trust any other IVF clinic. They ruin their chance of taking advantage of high-quality IVF treatment, and end up hurting themselves in the long run. Now this doesn't mean that a clinic is good just because it is expensive. Some of the busiest brand name clinics in the metropolises charge an arm and a leg because they need to pay huge kickbacks to the doctors who refer patients to them for IVF treatment. The rule is simple: you need to do your homework before signing up at any clinic. IVF clinics should have to earn your trust, it's too precious to be given away. Need help in getting pregnant? Please send me your medical details by filling in the form at www.drmalpani.com/free second opinion so that I can guide you.